There's a motion on the table and closing the search process. And there is a second on the table to close the search process.
The President of the United States only has 90 days to put their cabinet together. And we had 7 months, but it's not enough. The heart and soul of the college is being ripped apart today. So we're going to leave here with a lot of questions. We're going to count on you. But you can bet when we get back here, someone's going to walk somebody in here with a palanca to be up here. And that hurts and breaks our heart for our students. You're going to have to look at the students and say, this process meets the same ideals as the constitutional law class you teach. This process meets the same ideals as the scientific method in our chemistry classes. This process was not tainted by phone calls or people trying to move around the system. That it is a citadel of truth in this process. I hope we're going to hold you to it. We're not going to prejudge it, but our hearts are broken. This is the saddest day of my 40 years of being a faculty member of this college.
Because I think everyone here has acted with the utmost good faith for the benefit of this college. Thank you.